Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming location services and granting Maps permission so directions are accurate. Once done, open Google Maps and sign in if you want saved routes. Next, type your destination in the search bar or press and hold the map to drop a pin where you want to walk. This gets Maps ready for routing. Make sure the pin or address is precisely where you intend to arrive, so the walking route uses pedestrian paths instead of driving roads. You'll tap directions and then select the walking icon. This tells Maps to prefer footpaths, sidewalks, and pedestrian shortcuts. Once walking mode is active, review alternate routes shown at the top and compare estimated time, distance, and any elevation notes. If you prefer a specific street, drag the route polyline or add intermediate stops to force that path. Make sure to zoom in to check pedestrian-only passages and crosswalks. This keeps the route practical, and press Start to begin turn-by-turn walking navigation. You'll hear or see step prompts and distance updates as you move. While walking, use the search or voice commands to add stops, and switch to satellite or street view to preview complex intersections. This helps you recognize landmarks. If directions seem wrong, toggle GPS off and on, close and reopen the app, or recalibrate your compass by moving your phone in a figure eight. These fixes usually restore accuracy, so you can continue walking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.